Hey everyone, in this video, I'll explain how to move contacts from iPhone to SIM card. Let's begin. First, you need to know this clearly. Apple does not allow saving contacts directly to a SIM card on iPhone. There is no built-in option on iOS to move or copy contacts to a SIM. iPhones can only import contacts from a SIM, not export contacts to it. This is a system limitation by Apple, not a bug or missing setting. So, if you're searching for a Move to SIM button on iPhone, it simply does not exist. Now, what can you do? The only official way the iPhone manages contacts is through iCloud, email accounts, or local storage, not SIM cards. Apple expects users to store contacts digitally, not on SIM. If your goal is backup or transfer, the correct method is using iCloud. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, then tap iCloud, and turn contacts on. This safely backs up all your contacts online. If your goal is transferring contacts from iPhone to Android, there are official and safe ways to do that, just not through the SIM card directly. The easiest method is using Google Contacts. On your iPhone, open Settings, scroll down to Apps, or use the search bar to search for contacts and tap on it. Then tap Accounts. Choose Add Account, select Google, and sign in with your Gmail account. Once signed in, make sure Contacts is turned on. Your iPhone contacts will now sync automatically to Google. Now, on your Android phone, sign in with the same Google account. Open the Contacts app, and your contacts will appear automatically. No SIM card needed. iPhone cannot move contacts to SIM card directly. This is a limitation of iOS. The safest alternative is using iCloud or Google Drive. Thanks for watching.